Hey, welcome back to the Clunkers Customs YouTube channel. Today, we're checking out this Pinecone SG-1603 sent to us by AmazingRCCars.com. We're going to have a link down in the description where you can check out this and other great products that they sell. Let's take a look at the outside of this thing. 1/16 scale. Baron. It's the little truck version. It's like a mini Arma infraction. A couple little details on here. Here's a different body that they can come with. That's the 1604. Okay, let's open up this box and see what's inside. AmazingRCCars.com. Okay, let's see what we have here. First off, we have our operating instructions. I would recommend that you go through, take a look through here. It'll show you everything you really need to know about it, and all the little spare parts and stuff. Pretty neat, so take a look at that. And then there's our Pinecone SG-1603. The Baron Super Sport. Super great detail on these. It's got the drift tires on it. And then here, in the bottom side of our box, we should have the rest of it. There's our controller right there. Okay, let's look at a couple features on here. Here's our controller. Right here is our steering stabilizer. So if we have it turned down, the gyro is off, and we can turn it up so it has the gyro on the front tires so we can go drifting. To demonstrate the gyro, if we have over 30% throttle and we turn it, the tires should stay straight. So that's a pretty neat feature on this. And then our steering trim to center it so it goes straight. And then this is how far the steering goes. So we can have it turn all the way, so it'll turn nice and sharp and rip around corners. Or if we're doing high speed runs, we can turn the steering rate down and it won't turn as fast. On the side, we have our on and off switch. Our 3-position speed control. So we have 3 options. We can go slow, medium, or fast. Personally, like with the drift tires on it and drifting around, the first and second settings are a lot of fun. Makes it really controllable. And switch it to the high speed for doing some high speed runs. Down here is our channel 3. It's a button, and this controls our lights on the car that will, I guess, flash to right now. Boo! Okay, let's open up our last little box in here. And here comes our 2 extra batteries. This RC comes with 3 batteries in total. 1 is in the car already. So there's our 2 extra batteries. Our grippy rubber tires. Extra clips. A little tool pouch. And we'll open this thing up right here. And it has the charger. Right here is a USB charger that charges our 7.4 volt lithium ion batteries at a 1.5 amp rate. These are pretty good. I got a few of them, and we actually use them on a lot of our RC batteries. So it comes with a pretty good charger. Charges them up fairly fast. Seems like good quality. We also have some different links for to help it either drive straight better or drift better. So you have different options on how you want to set it up. But that's enough of all these little accessories. You came here to see the car. Baron Super Sport. I already took the body clips out for you guys to make this seamless. Let's see what's under here. We have our light wires hooked up. So we'll go down here. You can gently pull that out and take the body off. We'll look underneath. Here's our multicolored lights that I showed you in the clip. The rear light. Let's have a look at the details of this thing. It's got a brushed motor. Here's our third lithium-ion battery. Our combination receiver, ESC, and gyro is all in here. This is running a 5-wire servo. Just has some non-oil filled shocks that seem to still work pretty good. Nice smooth function. We have our metal little drive shafts in here, little axle shafts. That's metal, so that's good. Really nice looking little RC here. Right here we have our motor that runs into this center shaft. So the front and back are locked together, but in each one has a differential. So we got rear differential and front differential. You can see the center shaft spinning in there. Everything spins nice and freely. So we're going to go over and we'll check the nuts and bolts, which is good to do on all new RCs that you get. You just want to go through, make sure that your wheel nuts are tight and all the screws are tight. The ones on this are all tight, but it's a good thing to do just in case something is loose. You don't want to be losing parts. Yeah, definitely a super cool little RC. So we got our drift tires on it. So I guess that's our first test we'll do, is we'll go do a little bit of drifting with the drift tires. Then we'll swap them over to the rubber tires and we'll see how those do too. Yeah, if you want all the details on this, we have the link down below to AmazingRCCars.com, and you can check out this fine product along with other products and read the reviews, check out the pictures. So I think it's a pretty new website, but I have to say they got a really amazing name for it. AmazingRCCars.com. Yeah, we got full throttle, half throttle, and low throttle. With the drift tires, you can get quite a bit of control on low throttle. And then we'll try mid-speed. And then full speed. yeah, this is definitely a lot of fun. I really enjoy these. You know what I mean? We're crashing it, we're bashing it, and it's holding right up. We hit a couple curbs, and it barely did anything to this body. Yeah, it working out pretty good. And for the price point, you really can't beat it. You know what I mean? It's right around $100. You get 3 extra batteries, 2 sets of tires. You got your rubber tires and your drift tires, and pretty sweet little RC. It's like a mini armor and traction. Yeah, we're out here. We got the rubber tires installed on this thing, and it's pretty sweet. It's got enough power to drift around even on the rubber tires. AmazingRCcars.com